All right, and moving on, we will pick up now word building with the movable alphabet, mixed vowels, objects or pictures. And that is page 84 in your album book. In your album. So let's get to it. Just that a little bit. Okay. All right, movable alphabet, 3-letter phonetic word objects with different middle vowel sounds. Choose objects with the same end sounds for the first presentation, like such as bat, jet, kit, pot, hut, and place in a container. So here I have mine. And the preparation for this work is a knowledge of sounds, letters, exhibited in names of objects. Okay, so you get the rug, you put it down here, and you invite the child or children. Unroll the rug, go to movable alphabet and bring it to rug. Place the upper left of rug. Remove lid and place under box. Bring container of objects to rug. Invite child to select an object and place it below its vowel. Oh, I'm sorry, I went ahead. Remove vowels being used and place at top of rug a short distance apart. So A, E, I, O, U. A. E. I. A. Identify the objects. Bag, mug, keg, fig, dog, return objects in container. Bag, mug, cake, fig, dog. Invite the child to select an object and place it below its vowel. Would you like to choose an object? Dog. Dog. What's the vowel for in the word dog? What's the vowel sound in the word dog? Dog. 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 Ah. Ah. Dog. 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 Og. Dog. D. A. G. D. A. G. D. A. Dog. 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 Keg. Keg. Egg. Egg. It's the vowel sound. Keg. G. Keg. Bag. 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 B. A. G. Bag. B. A. G. Bag. 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 I had to use a green letter G here. Ran out of the red ones. But bag. Bag. Okay. What's next? Fig. 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 G. Fig. The last one, mug. Mug. G. G. Mug. G. G. Mug. 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 And we continue with the other objects of container, placing them each under the appropriate vowel. Admire when finished. And return alphabet letters, objects, and rug. Invite the child. Extensions of variations. You can use objects with mixed end sounds. So would be something like this. Oh, so with mixed end sounds. So same. So using the ending sound could be like a can, or like a hat. Different ending sounds. Use several objects for each vowel. You can having more than one object in the work for each vowel. Have all the needed letters in a container rather than using the whole movable alphabet. Build three-letter words from pictures. Okay, so the points of interest here will be the interesting objects or pictures, two different vowel sounds, finding letter to go with each sound and word, red vowels, blue consonants, excitement of making words. And control of error is the out of order and no word formed, and redemonstration. Okay, recommended for 4 and up. The aims: OCCI, order, concentration, coordination, independence, and to analyze sounds and words, word building, and preparation for reading. So let's go ahead and put these ones away. I always like to start with the objects first, when something putting a work like this big away, so that the child won't be tempted to be touching the objects or playing with them. They put the objects away, and then we go ahead and put the letters away. G, D, G, Good. All right, friends. Now, next we have page 90 in your album, word building with the movable alphabet, phonetic phrases, objects, or pictures. So you can use an object or picture for this work. Objects are a little more inviting. So we have, for materials, the movable alphabet, 3-letter phonetic word objects. And see the word list if you need help with that. And the preparation before this work is having a knowledge of sounds or letters, exhibited in names of objects, experience with building single words. So definitely this comes after all the other things that we did. Work surfaces rug, presentation, invite child or children, unroll the rug, go to movable alphabet and bring it to rug, place it at upper left of rug. Remove lid and place under box, bring container of objects to rug. Say, identify the objects. Let's see what objects we have in this container. Mug, bag, man, nut, tub, cap, can, keg, rat, keg, can, rat, bag, mug, man, nut, cap, tub. Invite child to select 2 objects. What 2 objects would you like to choose from? tub, nut. You chose a tub, the tub, and the nut. Let's put the nut in the tub. Look at that. Let's put the nut in the tub and say nut in tub. Let's build the word nut. Let's build nut. So it starts with nut. Hand space. Subdominant hand for hand space. Show that there is a space between letters. Nut. Tub. Nut and tub. Right there. Invite the child to choose two objects and build the phrase. Okay. So then after you're done with that, you can move on to the next one. What other two objects would you like to choose? These two, he says. Can, let's put the can on the bag. Can on bag. Let's say can on bag. Can. Can. On on bag. Bag. Good. Cat on bag. And you would do this with the other objects as well, or until the child is satisfied. Then you invite the child, or we would be putting the work away and invite the child. Extensions and variations, you can to start, use, in, or on. As child gains experience, let him or her choose the objects and phrase. You could use pictures. Move on to invented spelling for non-phonetic words. So words that are non-phonetic, they're a lot harder, and you know the child's not at that level yet. They can use inventive spelling to create the words. Okay. Moving on. We have word building with the movable alphabet, invented spelling. So here we go with the invented spelling. And this here is page 93 in your album. Okay, so for this material, all we need here will be the movable alphabet. And let's go. It says preparation, knowledge of sounds of letters. So the child has to know all their sounds and the names of the letters. Experience with building phonetic words. So by this time, before invented spelling happens, they should already have had the lesson, the ones that we have been showing of the phonetic words. Got the rug. Presentation, invite child or children. Unroll the rug. Go to movable alphabet and bring it to rug. Place at upper left of rug. Remove lid and place under box. Ask the child what word she wants to make. Princess. Let's say the child chooses the word princess. Ask the child what word she wants to make. She says princess. Let's say the sounds in princess. You would ask the child. Let's say the sounds in princess. Per, per, e, n, s, e, s. Per, e, n, s, e, s. Princess, princess. What do you hear first? And you ask the child. What sound do you hear first in the word princess? Princess. P. That's right. We'll find the P. Have the child place the letter toward the left side of the rug. Repeat princess. What sound do you hear next? P. What sound do you hear next in the word princess? Says the child. And you will place that letter there. Now, very important with inventive spelling that we do not correct the child even if it's wrong. That's why it's called inventive spelling, right? So what are they doing? They're learning the sound discrimination in words. What's next do you hear? Prince. So now I'm saying So here now the child has made the word princess. Princess. And you say, oh, can you say that for me? Princess. Princess. And the child says, that's all. You do not correct the child. Say princess and admire. So then we just agree with the child. Yeah, princess. Princess. And then you invite the child to continue or to put the materials away. Okay. So this work really gives you really lets you see how much phonemic awareness the child has, right? To when they start doing inventive spelling, you'll get to notice and observe that they're if they're continuously missing a letter or a sound, and it just helps you to build upon that, so you can bring those sounds to the child and have them learn those sounds. So extensions and variations is to make sentences and stories, use pictures and books for ideas, have the child illustrate what is written. Points of interest, choosing one's own words, hearing the sounds in the word, creativity. The control of error is be very careful not to inhibit the child's excitement about making words and stories that inspire her. That joy is much more important than spelling at this point. At a separate time, you can go back to work with vowel sounds and objects to reinforce if needed. Right, it's the control of error, right? So that's like I was saying, you can go back and do more work with vowel sounds and objects to reinforce. The language, movable alphabet, vowel, consonant, words, build, written, phrase, illustrate, create. These are the type of words you want to be using when presenting this to the child. Like, let's build the word princess. Let's build a phrase. Or let's illustrate the word princess. Let's create the word princess. This is for ages 4 and up. Aims, OCCI, order, concentration, coordination, independence. To create excitement about reading and writing. To analyze sounds and words, word building, preparation for reading. Okay, inventive spelling.